Hello everyone, this is Sir Shayan with you and welcome to my channel. Our today's topic is mass marketing and the lecture is going to be in English language. If you want to watch the same lecture in Urdu language, just click on this link. This link will lead you to my Urdu language video for the same topic, mass marketing. So without further delay, here we go. Welcome back. Mass marketing. Mass means something big. Another name of mass marketing is undifferentiated marketing. Undifferentiated marketing. That means there is no differentiated marketing strategy for different segments of market. Only one marketing strategy has been adopted for all the segments of market. What did I say? Let's move on. Let's look at this car. The hidden reason of Toyota Corolla's success is this car was not made for a specific target market. This car is made for everyone who can afford the car, who can afford a nice car. Toyota Corolla is the best choice for them. Toyota Corolla is operating in mass market. Another example. Any drinking water, you can take the example of Nestle, Aquafina, Hana, and any drinking water. Is that drinking water targeted toward a specific group of people, or that drinking water is offered to all the segment of market? Hurry up, answer me. Yes, the drinking water is not targeted toward a specific group of people. It is offered to everybody in the market. This is the example of mass marketing. So, here are the definitions of mass marketing. Before we move on, just look at the second definition. What is this definition? Selling the same product to the whole market with no attempt to target group within it. If you haven't watched my market segmentation video, please, it is highly recommended to go and check my market segmentation video. In that video, I have explained market segmentation, consumer profiling, and target market in details. After watching that video, please come back and watch this video again. Why? Because to understand mass marketing and niche marketing, you must understand what is called market segment, or what are the market segments. Whom are we ignoring in mass marketing? So, basically, in mass marketing, firms do not modify their marketing strategy according to the needs, wants, expectations of specific segment of market. They offer a single product to the whole market, all the segments of market, okay, and one marketing strategy is adopted for that specific product. They do not modify their marketing strategy according to the needs of different segments of market. There are several examples. If you go to a supermarket, you see a normal soap, you see a detergent, you see ghee, you see cooking oil, and several other things. These are the items which are the examples of mass marketing. They are not made specially for a specific segment of market. They are offered to all the segments of market. Okay, let's have a look. Now, these are three toothpastes here. The first one which you see, Kids Paste, Sensodyne and Colgate, the last one. Tell me, this one, Kids Toothpaste, is it offered to a specific segment of market, or this is offered to all the segments of market? No, this is not offered to all the segments of market. This is basically offered to kids, maybe from 2 to 6 years old and so on. So that means you have gone into age demographic from 2 to 6 years. So this is not the product of mass market. Second one, Sensodyne. Tell me, is that product offered to whole market, or this is made for specific people? Tell me, hurry up. Yes, Sensodyne toothpaste, basically that is made for specific people who have tooth problems, teeth problems, gum problems, and so on. Sensodyne, doctors recommended. Getting my point? So this is not the product of mass market. The last one, Colgate, simple Colgate toothpaste. Tell me, is it made for a specific target group, segment of the market, or this is made for all the segments of market? Yes, that is the product which is made for all the segments of market. This is not targeted toward a specific segment of market. Same single marketing strategy is adopted for all the segments of market. The marketing strategy is not modified according to a specific segment of market for whom the product is made or targeted toward. Are you getting my point? But the Colgate kids, the marketing strategy will be modified for kids. Sensodyne, the marketing strategy will be modified for those who have gum problems, teeth problems, and so on. I think this concept is clear now. Okay, let's move on. Let's look at some marketing. Basically, mass marketing is called an undifferentiated marketing, and the strategy that ignores targeting individuals or individual segments of market. That's very clear. Let's move on. Advantages and disadvantages of mass marketing. What is the first advantage of mass marketing? Basically, business can benefit from economies of scale. Yes, economies of scale. If you remember what's called economies of scale, in easiest wording, I would explain you what's called economies of scale. Economies of scale, when your output is increased, your average per unit cost goes down because of mass production. So in mass marketing, businesses basically enjoy economies of scale. Why do they enjoy? Because the market is huge. Potential number of customers are huge. So businesses gain the advantage of reduced per unit cost. Getting my point? Let's look at the second one. The whole market can be targeted with a single marketing campaign. This is the point that I have been explaining you since the beginning of this lesson, that one marketing campaign is enough for all the segments of market. You don't have to modify your marketing strategy in mass marketing. And the last one is, as the market is big, businesses get the chance to establish a bigger customer base. Okay, so let's discuss the disadvantages of mass marketing now. The first thing is high barriers to entry. Simple thing, it's not so easy to step into mass market. Setup cost will kill you. Okay, and there are several other barriers to entry into the mass marketing. Giants are already being operated in mass market. They will not allow you to enter so easily. They already have established huge customer base. They already have established loyal customer base. So it's not so easy. And the giants which are already being operated in the mass marketing, they are already enjoying economies of scale. Their per unit cost is already too low. It's extremely difficult for you to compete with their cost of production. Getting my point? So first and foremost, barriers to entry. Another one. Competition can become violent as the customer must be persuaded to buy the firm's product rather than to buy from the competitor. Yes, and for that, you need to have a huge marketing budget so that you can spend a lot on marketing. And then you can persuade your customers. You can bring the loyal customers of another brand to your brand. And the last thing is storage problem. Yes, because in mass marketing, obviously you have to produce much. If you are producing too much, then you have to store it and your storage cost will go up on sky. So this is one of the barrier. And the last thing is linked with the third one. Why? Because if your storage cost is high, then your production cost will be high. So it will be difficult for you to compete with the businesses who are already in the mass market. It doesn't mean that you should not enter into a mass marketing. It doesn't mean. We are just discussing the disadvantages. We also discuss the advantages of mass marketing. Okay, there will be another video about in-depth analysis of mass marketing. So that video will be released shortly, inshallah. I hope you have understood today's topic, mass marketing. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. And if you have already subscribed to it, please refer my channel to others so that they can also benefit from my lectures. Thank you so much for watching.